الرحيم.
So where it stop, you now enlarge it to where it stop. Can you see? Let's listen to it again.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So enlarge it. Let's check it again.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر. عصر.
Then after that, you can duplicate it if you want. You just go to copy or duplicate. Let's just duplicate. Then okay, let's go and change it. Copy while hustle. You go and copy while hustle. Copy. Then we will edit the text. Clean the Bismillah Rahman Rahim and paste the wal hustle. So let's go and check it.
والعصر والعصر.
So we stop here and put it here. Wal hustle.
والعصر.
Then we duplicate this also. Duplicate this also. Then we now go and copy in the insana lafi khusr. In the insana lafi khusr. Then we copy again. You come here. We go back to edit. We clean wal hustle and we put in an insana lafi khusr inside it. Then we listen to it.
والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر.
Lafi khusr. Then you now enlarge it to meet it.
إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا.
Khusr. So you now duplicate it again. Duplicate. So illa allazina amanu wa aminu salih. So let's go and copy this. Copy. Let me stop at wa aminu salih. Wa aminu salih. Don't just copy it. Then I'll go back to edit. Illa allazina amanu wa aminu salihat. Okay. Then I will now duplicate again. Then I'll go and copy what I was sub aki, what I was sub. I'll copy again. Then I'll now go and edit this. I'll go to edit. I'll now paste what I was sub aki, what I was sub. Paste. Then let's listen to our Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وعملوا
الصالحات So you will stop it here. Then you will enlarge it.
آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر.
So we have done with our test, our Quran content. Then we'll stop here and we'll continue in our next class.